Hello everyone. This is Karnataka LMS, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. In this video, we are talking about covering the subject of organizational behavior for the management student of second semester. I'm Ranchita BR. Today, I'm presenting the topic on the principles of learning. In the earlier session, we discussed about the meaning, definition, and the nature and the features of learning. So in this session, in this video, I'm covering the topic that is principles of learning. So we know what is learning. It is a psychological process. Here, learning is something we did when we went to school. In reality, each of us continuously going to school, learning is occurring all the time. With every new experience, new event, or new situation, we learn something. This learning is purely theoretical. We cannot observe learning as we can observe the personality of a person or his attitude. So we can see changes taking place, but not the learning itself. So learning is a process of acquiring knowledge and skills through experiencing, by thought, by others, by practicing, or by learning. So this individual learning in an organization has to be shaped and managed based on behavioral requirements in an organization. As individual learning is managed with the help of reinforcement and punishment. So the first principle is learning is active. So active learning goes beyond providing opportunities for hands-on experiential learning. It's hands-on learning. It's a very active one, not a passive one. So it involves engaging the learner's mind as well as they are encouraged to question and evaluate information critically. We should encourage the learners to ask questions. So it should be encouraged to ask question as well as learners should evaluate the information critically. They should not accept it, whatever the information has given to them. They have to evaluate it. In such cases, if they are not agree, critically they have to evaluate, then only they have to accept those information. So the emphasis on the inquiry processes and skills promotes transference. So they should emphasize on the inquiry of the information, processes and the skills. So next principle is learning is holistic. Yes, learning should be holistic. Learning is discipline based, but interconnectedness of knowledge is promoted. It is a discipline. Learning is a discipline, but interconnectedness of knowledge should be there to promote the learning. Learning is also made more coherent with the regular opportunities to see the connection of learning to real life. Yes, that learning with the regular opportunity and the connection of learning with the real life should be there. And the third principle is learning requires to metacognition. All learners are capable of being proactive, self-reflecting, and self-regulating. They should be capable of these things. And metacognitive processes should be taught explicitly, and opportunities must be made available for learners to self-regulate. First, they should be proactive. then self-reflecting and self-regulating, self-discipline, they must. And it should, the metacognitive processes should be taught explicitly, and opportunities should be made available to the learners to self-regulate themselves. And the next principle is learning is social. Yes, learning is influenced by social interaction. It may be through the friends, peers, peer group, and the parents, brothers and sisters, relatives, family. So it is also social to the social interaction. Then interpersonal relations and communication with others. So learning is not it's also individual, but it's more through the social. So last principle is learning is contextual. Yes, learning is facilitated by conducive environmental factors. It should be environmental factors should be conducive to them, because learning is reflected in behavior. A change in an individual's thought process or attitudes not accompanied by behavior is not learning actually. Learning needs to result in behavior, potentiality, and not necessarily in the behavior itself. For example, if a person is thinking of using drugs but has not actually used them, and he finds out that a friend of his has died because of drugs, he will never get involved with drugs. This experience has changed his behavioral potential. So it's always environmental factors makes him facilitate the learners to learn things. So these are the principles of learning. So with this, I end this session. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.